Talo Fatu Mako, welcome back. Miss, you want to explain what we're happening?
Well, we're just setting up for Julie's surprise 50th birthday. So we're just putting the cake together at the moment, but it's a surprise for her. So yeah.
Oh.
Go. Huh?
Happy birthday, Auntie Julie. I'm turning 50 and you've been helping me and my mum and Auntie. And thank you for the very much yesterday, they were very nice. Yeah, thank you.
So this is a surprise party. Hey Gus. Surprise party. And Gus is just setting it up. Just setting up a surprise party for Julie. Yeah. Vai kupu, eh? Vai kupu. Vai kupu.
Pangalahiatu Tulosi. This is just a surprise lunch we just heard. When I limo fulu tau hau. Ni na koki na ko ka ku mai hau ni se ko ni lo ka ni we.
Nope.
If you get 50, Julie, that means you're a good cricketer. Keep it up, mate. Hope the good water pump bless you always and give you another 50. They'll make you a century, which will be the same as your Nana Moksahena. Good luck. God bless.
Hi to John. This is a really beautiful day here in Manukau, Auckland City, and we're here to give Julie a surprise 50th birthday. So Julie, she's just an amazing, awesome person that anybody would be lucky to have in their life, and that's the reason why we decided to put on this surprise party for her, because we love you, Julie. We love you so much, and you're just such an amazing person, and it's time for you to celebrate and be around people who really love you and are grateful for you in your life. So I think no big speeches, just have an awesome day today, have another awesome 50 years of life, and I look forward to all the new adventures that we have in the future. Alright, happy birthday sis, love you.
That's enough, you guys are cramping my style.
You go and jump on the
What's that? Sirloin steak.
Yeah, it's well done.
You wanna present it, Miss? Kohengo e mena kai, eh?
it looks like there's some taro here with some lamb rump. This is with taro.
Oh yeah.
Carolina Reaper sauce.
It's the lamb rump.
This is a 10 out of 10.
There's the ribeye juju. Thanks, Miss.
This is a 7 out of 10.
Bro.
Yeah, this is 7.
Fancy price too. Wow. Okay.
Lots that we can say. This one, birthday.
behalf of all our siblings, including your mum, wish you all the best. Good health, prosperity, and all those beautiful things. I still remember you were a little baby. Now you're a big baby. So, thank you very much to my neighboring John, Bali Motivi, Mano, Kawe, Kali, Kula, Kuala, Mixi, Kalali, Craig, Coco, Sharon. Thank you very much, everyone.
Ask my agent. I had to pay me 6 months
Money
I want to eat something. Don't bring
What flavor cake is in this?
It's a white chocolate and vanilla from the cheesecake.
John, thank you.
Bye, Kupu.
Thank you everyone for coming. Love you guys so much and thank you for making this such a special day for me. But we love you, my mom, ini kita mengucapkan ini kita lepas to listening to my auntie Maka. Thank you for organizing today. Baru ni macam sewa tu ke YouTube ya. Thank you.
Nah, I'm